Welcome to the Age Gracefully Show with Dr. Michael Grossman, the well-known anti-aging stem cell and regenerative medicine specialist, best-selling author, and founder of the OC Wellness Clinic in Irvine, California. Each week, he shares the latest information to help you look and feel your best so you age gracefully. And here's your host, Dr. Michael Grossman.
Hi, I'm Dr. Michael Grossman, specializing in anti-aging medicine. It's been a pleasure to talk to you and to tell you the latest breakthroughs in reversing the aging process. We just came back, my wife and I, from the American Academy of Anti-Aging Medicine's annual meeting in Las Vegas, California. And there was a plethora of new things that have come up in the arena of anti-aging medicine. So we have all kinds of new things to talk about. The thing that's been most exciting has been the development of what we call exosomes as a viable option to reverse the aging process. So for 5 years now, I've been using stem cells, which we collect from your own fat. And we suck out a little fat from your belly or love handles and process it over 2 hours. And then we inject it back into your body. And the stem cells create rejuvenation, repair, all over your body, both in your joints and your knees, your hips, your ankles, your back, but also in your head, in your brain if it's not working for just aging or for injury. It's been dramatically effective, and I really love doing that work. We just had a patient who was a young man in about 30 years old, and he had been in a car accident some 3 years before, and he was almost just a little more than a vegetable. It was really sad because he couldn't really walk very well. He could get up with assistance. He couldn't focus on anything. You can talk to him. He doesn't speak at all, and he wasn't writing, and he couldn't pay attention to things. When you show him a movie or a TV show, he doesn't follow anything. We did the stem cells, it's been 3 months, and now he's dramatically better. He's writing long notes. He's saying things that are cute and funny. You can tell that he's present and he's talking to you, and he's able to walk a lot better. And so he's just so dramatically better. And his mother is just so thrilled and happy. And from my side, it's just a thrill to be able to do that, to be able to get the brain to regenerate, whereas otherwise it doesn't repair. And this is what stem cells can do. But now we have something brand new which works like stem cells, but a little different. So let's talk about exosomes. Exosomes, exosomes. It's the latest development in anti-aging medicine. The way stem cells work is that we can take the cells, and the lining of the cells will invaginate and clump off. And it's like a little bud. And inside those little buds are all these growth factors. And the growth factors can then go all over the body in these little organelles called exosomes, and they swim around wherever they're needed. And they're attracted to the area that requires repair, and it could be anywhere. And they have like an intelligent system where they hone in on wherever it needs to be repaired. The signal comes in and they go where they're needed to go. And these little organelles, these exosomes, we can concentrate them even more than stem cells so that we can get 10 times as much repair in these little exosome concentrates as we can even in your own stem cells. And certainly with older people, their stem cells are not quite as vibrant as young people's stem cells. And so although we get good results with someone who's 70, 80, even 90 years old, we're going to get even better results with these exosomes because we can take the exosomes from young people and concentrate the stem cells, concentrate the exosomes from the stem cells in these young people. Because we're not using their DNA, you're not getting any possibility of allergic reactions because you're not using their DNA. There's nothing foreign coming in. You're just getting these exosomes, which has no DNA in it. So the safety is really great, even though they're coming from other people. That's always been a concern with taking the stem cells from other people, whether they're babies or someone else, that you can get some sensitivity reactions. You can't get it from these exosomes. So this has been a huge breakthrough, and we can use it in the skin to make your skin more youthful. So for years, I've used platelet-rich plasma in the skin after I do a procedure called a CO2 profractional laser. We make pinholes in your skin, hundreds of pinholes in a poster-sized stamp of skin, and then the body will grow the pinholes together, tight, smooth, soft, radiant skin, because they're youthful skin that grows back in. And now not only can we add platelet-rich plasma, but we can add these exosomes, which is like intense rejuvenation, even more than with platelet-rich plasma. So that can be used in the hair to grow hair on your head. It can be used into your joints like we would stem cells. It's a little easier than stem cells. So we're very excited about the exosome opportunity for keeping people youthful. And there's so many other things that have come up in the conference, and we'll talk about that in the coming discussions. But in the meantime, I welcome you, if you have questions, to call the office, 949-222-0232. And the office is in Irvine, California, next to John Wayne Airport. And you're welcome to call and ask questions and understand, what can we do and how do we help this and how do we help that, and whether you're a good candidate for these kinds of procedures. So you can look up our website, which is ocwellness.com. So we'd love to hear from you, and it's a pleasure talking with you. Okay, good night.
Thank you for watching the Age Gracefully Show with Dr. Michael Grossman. Join us next week for another informative discussion to help you age gracefully. Be sure to visit us at ocwellness.com.